Hey everybody, it's Lauren from Hot for Food, and it's Hot for Food time. It's Wednesday, I'm always here, cooking up vegan love. Now today I'm gonna do grilled corn 2 ways. That's right, you're getting 2 recipes in 1 video. Oh boy, oh boy. I was like, we better get grilling. It's summer. I don't have a grill. I borrowed one. I don't grill, so, you know, it'll be fine. I know what I'm doing. The recipes I'm gonna show you today are actually kind of OG Hot for Food recipes from hotforfoodblog.com that I haven't yet showed you how to do in a video. So we're gonna make grilled corn on the cob with coconut lime cream sauce and some parm on top, you know, like a kind of Mexican street corn style thing. And we're gonna make a roasted or grilled corn chowder. Now, chowder is soup, whatever, it's hot, and I know it's summer, but this corn chowder is so delicious that it's not gonna matter. You're just gonna be in the heat, eating hot soup, you're not gonna care, you're gonna love your life, and it's really tasty. We're gonna make the coconut lime cream sauce first, right here in this pan, and then we'll get grilling the cobs. So in your pan, you've got it over medium-low, add some coconut oil, garlic, shallot, and cumin, and saute this for a couple of minutes. Then add in coconut milk, lime juice, sea salt, and pickled jalapeno brine and chopped pickled jalapenos. You can use fresh jalapenos here as well if you like it spicier. And whisk this frequently over the heat. Once it's simmering, mix in arrowroot flour with water in a slurry and add this to thicken. And cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's thicker and remove from the heat. So you'll notice it's chunky because we've got shallot, garlic, and the jalapeno in there. Once this is cool, you can give it a blend just to get it really smooth, and that way it'll drizzle nicely over the corn on the cob. All right, so we're gonna go grill these corn on the cob. 2 of them are gonna be used for the grilled corn chowder recipe, and the rest will be for this recipe with the coconut lime cream sauce. I'm using a charcoal grill. It's gonna take longer than normal, but if you have a barbecue, this should take anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes to get these nice and charred and tender. I'm just gonna baste the cobs with some melted vegan butter mixed with chili powder, and I'm gonna do this a few times as I'm grilling them on the barbecue. So you're looking for this kind of roasted, charred color on the corn. So this is when they're good to go and you can take them off. Okay guys, we're ready to make the grilled corn the second way, which is a grilled corn chowder. And to do that, you need 2.5 cups of roasted corn kernels. So you're going to saw off the kernels from the cobs you have left as they fly everywhere. And all of this toasty goodness will be infused into the chowder. So now take 1 cup of the kernels and put them in a blender with some raw cashews and water, and then blend this until smooth, and this will be the creamy base for the soup. So add some vegetable oil to a pot over medium heat, and then add in your onion and saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in your minced garlic and cook for another minute until it's softened and fragrant. Then we're gonna toss in celery and carrots and saute these for 5 to 6 minutes until they're softened a bit. Then we're adding in diced potato, thyme, smoked paprika, and chili powder, and we're gonna saute that for 1 to 2 minutes while the herbs become fragrant. Now add in some sea salt and ground pepper, plus 2 cups of veggie stock, and simmer this for about 8 minutes. Then add in all the cashew and corn cream that you blended earlier, plus 2 more cups of vegetable stock and the remaining roasted corn kernels, and simmer this on medium for about 7 to 8 minutes until it's bubbling. Then fold in your spinach leaves and simmer on low for another 15 to 20 minutes and allow the flavors to combine. Holy moly, guys. Grilled corn, two ways. We've got grilled corn on the cob with a coconut lime cream sauce. I put a little of the parm on there, you know, from the Hot for Food cookbook, optional. Cilantro, and then we've got our corn chowder, grilled corn chowder. Oh my God. I don't even care that it's like 34 degrees outside. Celsius. No, yeah, Celsius, in case you're wondering, like, wait, why would it be 34 degrees? So I'm going in on the chowder because it's like right off the stove. It's so perfect right now. It's steaming. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Oh, and I added potato into this recipe because Jillian Harris made it on her Instagram stories and raved about it and said she added potato. And I was like, of course it needs potato. So I redid one of my old recipes. Oh my God. I haven't had this in a long time. I made this a long time ago. I haven't made it since then, which is so funny. I love corn. That sounds weird and hilarious. No one says that, but I don't know about you. If you're obsessed with corn, thumbs up, leave a comment. I love corn. It's so flavorful. Especially if you grill it. You can see some of the corn has like the little roasty bits in there. That's the important part of this, and the blending of the corn with the cashews. You know, you could even take your coconut lime cream sauce, because it's like a little bit like a sour cream. Oh, hi. Hi there. Okay. Do that. Okay. Now, how epic does this look? The key with grilling corn on the cob is just patience, okay? Because you gotta get the color on there. You can also roll this around in more of your excess sauce. You're gonna be addicted to that sauce. I have yet to go to a restaurant that makes this kind of thing better than this. This is the best recipe out there. This sauce will make you eat your vegetables. Like, put it on everything. This is the least attractive thing to eat on camera. All right. You squeeze some lime on there. The chili butter that I basted the corn in, plus the pickled jalapenos in this sauce, for me is like the perfect amount of spice. I'd say it's about a medium. If you go with fresh jalapeno here, or add more chili powder or even fresh chopped chili, then you can get like a really hot version of this. Totally up to you. But this is kick-ass. Oh my God. Okay. Must be Ontario corn. I live in the province of Ontario. When it's corn season, get picking that corn. It's not sponsored by Ontario farmers or anything, but it's nice to eat in season. Okay, we're gonna keep this grilling party going. Next week, I'm doing grilled peaches, 2 ways, both desserts. So you could have a corn entree thing and then have a peach dessert thing happening. So don't miss this video. It's gonna be exciting and tasty and sweet. I'm here every Wednesday, Hot for Food, at Hot for Food on social. Follow me, tag your pics. I wanna see you guys make this stuff and devour it. And subscribe. The subscribe button's right there or in the link below. And we are surpassing 420,000 subscribers. I know everyone liked the fact that it was at 420, but up and onward to 500,000. Okay, thank you for being here. Hopefully you like this grilling inspo. If you have other ideas that you're doing at home on your grill, on your charcoal grill, on your barbecue, let me know. Grill as many veggies as you can. They're just so tasty, whether it's corn, peaches, anything. Broccoli's great, avocado. All right, the list goes on and on. Get these recipes on the blog, hotforfoodblog.com. I've linked everything below. Blah, blah, blah. That's enough from me. I'll see you next week.